Cheeseman and the mullet man. Cutting a little bit of hay. The swath that they were working on. There's the hay. Alfalfa. This finer stuff here is the sandfoin. Then you got some grass, a few weeds. Anyway, they're cutting the back swath. Here's the sandfoin right there, that pink flower. Kind of pretty. Anyways, it keeps freezing. So Cheeseman decided to knock it down. Short girls picking weeds over in the neighbors full of Dyer's woads. They're trying to get rid of those before that goes to seed on us. Blows over here. Anyways, if you look in the back there, that's the sandfoin, or not sandfoin, the triticale. Over there's another green patch of triticale. Right here, the field south of the granary, south of the house. Anyways, cutting a little hay. Seagulls are glad to see it. There's a fly dog. Hi, fly dog. Here's a little different view of the field. There are the weeds. That mountain there is called Haystack. And there's Pebble over here. You can kind of see across the valley over here. This hay field he's cutting, or cow field, depending on who you are asking. It's about 6 acres planted. Anyways, graineries. Kind of fun to watch them cut. Super lawnmower. Couple cows back there. Hopefully it'll make some hay. I don't know how many bales we'll get, but I seen hay for $465 a ton, so I guess any bale of hay is better than no bale of hay at this point. Here we'll watch him make the corner. Kind of neat how that machine has its own steering. So hydraulics in the tractor turns that swather while the tractor makes the corner. Here comes the Cheeseman and the mullet man. Looks like that means the mullet man conked out having him a nap. Happens every time. Looks like mullet man's having him a nap. Mom? They must have heard we were cutting hay, because now everybody's got their swather out. There's 2 coming down the road. Cheeseman in the field. So the short girls and I is gonna put the electric fence up here. Let the milk cow in there while the hay cures. Might put her out here on the road. Let her clean that grass up. Looks like the seagulls are hunting. Let's go pick up the electric fence, girls. There's the bull. Hey, bull! Bull! He's glad to be out working, eating grass. Says eating hay and all that fun. Out here working, talking to the girls. Better time. Green grass. Good day. Now this is a field north of the house. It's about 40 acres. Cheeseman's gonna cut the back swath on it. We gotta run down there and open the gate. Cows think it's for them. Not today, ladies. What?
Go get Fly. She's headed to Cooper's.
Okay. There she comes. Hi, Fly Dog. You cutting hay today? Having a good time. Here comes Cheeseman again. I don't know if there's very much in this field either, but I guess we gotta try. $465 a ton. Cow here eats about 3 ton a winter. What's that? $1,365 of, that's not gonna cut it. Cow doesn't produce that much. One calf, more of the order of $1,000. So the old stock cow, she can't eat $365 more than she's gonna bring home. So we'll see what this brings. Hopefully it's something. All right, short girls and I got all the fence picked up, got all the mosquitoes fed. Now we're gonna head back and go put the electric fence up for the cows over there. Or not for these cows, I guess for Candy. There we go, lawnmower's fired up. Hopefully we'll have this mowed off here in a couple days. And one more thing, go over here, we'll show you Cheeseman's success in the window department. Hey Cheeseman! Hey! How's the window replacement go? You ready to go into the business? There we go. There's brand new windows. It almost looks like there's no window at all after what was there. There's the old girls right there, so send them to the landfill. Enjoy a new clear glass, no broken, hopefully no wind. There you go.
I can fix it.